I wonder if it's a good idea to microwave peanut butter, like a hot PBJ.
That would be one tasty sandwich.
Sure would. Could be a potential health hazard though. We should check the precautions.
I guess. Let's bounce.
Well, I think this is a good idea.
Good idea.
Man, this is gonna be steaming hot.
Only 99 minutes and 43 seconds to go.
You smell something?
How peculiar.
That peanut butter is cooking. Ooh.
Oh boy.
Boy.
Oh no.
Oh boy.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Oh, oh no.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Whew. Oh no.
Oh man.
It's smoking.
Oh, it's smoking.
Whew.
Oh man.
We actually burnt the peanut butter in 6 seconds, and it smells horrible.
There you have it. So it is not a good idea to put peanut butter in the microwave.
And it smells.
Especially not in its container. It was sparking like mad.
6 seconds.
Mm-hmm. Yep.